I recently had a chance to do a hands-on review of the brand new Google Pixel Buds 2. The full review is, of course, right here on my YouTube channel. Now, that was just a couple of weeks ago, and already Google has dropped a bunch of new features for these earbuds. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I'm going to give you the lowdown on these brand new features and what they can do. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and give me a sub, because it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. All right, so what is new with the Google Pixel Buds 2? In short, Google's big new feature drop gives you more sound controls, including bass boost, a new translation experience in some languages, and even more help from your Google Assistant. These features have already started rolling out depending on where you are, and they will be available through a firmware update, which will automatically install when they are connected to an Android 6.0 or newer device with Pixel Buds set up and automatic updates turned on. Need a little more boom in your music? Just turn on the bass boost feature in the new Pixel Buds 2 sound settings. This new feature, quite obviously, adds a little bit more low-end bass into your listening. Now, when you split up your Pixel Buds to share with someone else, each of you can swipe on the bud to control the volume for each of you. Sharing detection can be turned on or off in the Pixel Buds in-ear detection settings. With sharing detection enabled in the Pixel Buds settings, after about 5 to 10 seconds, each person should hear a chime inside the earbud that lets you know that sharing has been detected. Now let's talk about some other features. You can now more easily locate your earbuds by seeing where they were last connected with an Android device. Previously, you could ring the buds, but this was kind of quiet and a bit imperfect in my opinion. Now you can see the last known location, and not the current location, I should point out, the last known location on a map. You will have to install and sign into Google Find My Device first, however. Also new is Transcribe mode on Google Translate. Building on the helpfulness of the Pixel Buds Conversation Mode Translate feature, which helps when you're talking back and forth, the new Transcribe mode is more geared towards long-form audio, which the service was not great for previously, meaning you can now use these to transcribe events like lectures or speeches. Google Translate records and immediately transcribes the output in real time, so you can read along in your preferred language. I have more details about this one, how it works, and how to set it up. You can find that at TechGadgetsCanada.com. The new Attention Alerts is a cool experimental feature that uses AI technology that aims to listen outside your earbuds environment for a few important sounds, a baby crying, dog barking, or emergency vehicle siren, and it'll make you aware when you're wearing your earbuds if that stuff is happening around you. When Attention Alerts is on and you're listening to audio with both earbuds in, your audio volume will lower for a moment and a chime will play when your earbuds detect one of those supported sounds. After a few seconds, your volume will return to normal. Individual alerts can be turned on or off, and attention alerts will not re-trigger within about a minute of the same sound. If you'd rather not use touch controls for your earbuds, you can now turn them on or off in the Pixel Buds touch control settings, and that's handy. Google has also updated the Google Assistant options to control your Pixel Buds 2 with your voice. Try saying, "Hey G, turn the touch controls on or off," or "Hey G, what is the battery on my earbuds?" Overall, this is actually a pretty huge update for the Google Pixel Buds 2. These new features turn an already amazing set of earbuds into an even more powerful multimedia and sharing tool. You can check out my full review of all the Pixel Buds 2 features here on the channel, as I mentioned, and if you have questions about them or the new features, you can post them to the blog or here on the channel in the comments as well. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to read more about any of these tips, head over to TechGadgetsCanada.com. You can, of course, ask me any questions you have, like I said, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Until the next time, you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram. I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also check me out on Facebook at facebook.com/TechGadgetsCanada.